Day Trading Guide. Educate yourself. Understand market basics, terminology, and trading strategies. Create a trading plan, set clear goals, risk tolerance, and profit targets. Define entry and exit strategies for trades. Have a backup plan for unexpected market moves. Choose the right broker. Risk management. Limit your risk on each trade, e.g., 1 to 2% of your trading capital. Use stop-loss orders to protect against significant losses. Technical analysis. Use charts and technical indicators for price analysis. Identify trends, support, resistance levels, and key patterns. Capital preservation. Protect your trading capital, as preserving it is essential for long-term success. Avoid over-leveraging to minimize the risk of significant losses. Hire expert. Hire experts like ShareTipsinfo to guide you for all your trading needs.